Hello everybody, my name is Ralph Johnston and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnston Photography. Today we're going to talk about moonscapes. Alright, you guys are asking what is a moonscape? Well, it's kind of simple. It's a shot done at night with the moon in it. So technically shooting just the moon is a moonscape, but we're talking more of a wide angle here to where you're going to have it a whole scene and stuff. Well, here, something like this, okay? So now, as you see, this is at the Gooseneck State Park. I know it looks a whole lot like Horseshoe Bend. Trust me, I've had a lot of people be like, oh, you went to Horseshoe Bend at night? That's really cool. No, this is Gooseneck State Park. I don't know if I'm allowed at Horseshoe Bend at night. But anyways, there's camping here, so I'm good. Gooseneck State Park, as you see, I got the moon and some stars, and even a sliver of the Milky Way right next to the moon. Which, you know, to get the Milky Way in a shot with the moon is, I thought was impossible actually, but it's not. You can get it. Proof is right here. Anyways, talking about the moonscapes and stuff. So pretty much what I did is I got my wide angle lens out. I either got my 18-55 or my 10-20 Sigma wide angle lens. Okay, so I went really wide on this and stuff like that to get the whole moonscape in there, and I really liked the shot. Pretty much my thing with this is that I thought the moon was a little too bright, so I did try a couple exposures, but I didn't like them as well. But then I thought about this. I'm like, okay, well, let's go ahead and turn around. This is still a moonscape though, for the simple reason it doesn't have the moon, but the moon is out lighting everything. And this is a really cool shot too, I thought. Because the building gave some, you know, just something to it instead of just a flat area and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, how to do a moonscape? Well, what you need? Tripod. Good sturdy tripod always is a must. I don't suggest going with them cheap $30 tripods. Yes, you know which ones I'm talking about if you are into photography at all. Go with a good tripod. Benro, MePhoto, Manphoto, Gitso is a good tripod. Just go with the brand, okay, that you really like and one that's comfortable to you. I can't have the Vanguard. That's what I'm trying to think of. Okay, anyways, just go with the tripod. Good sturdy one. If you like flip locks, great. If you like twist locks, great. Whichever one you got. I'm personally filming on a Benro move over. No. What is this? I think it's a Benro move over 4 travel tripod. Or Travel Angel or something like that. Anyways, it's a good tripod. I have a MePhoto road trip right here. So I have one with twist locks, one with flip locks. So I personally use the flip locks more actually than the twist locks, but I do like them both for different things. Like for this one I'm filming video. This one I do a lot with photos because of the ball head. Anyways, back to the moonscapes. Then you'll also need a wide angle lens or something like a 18-55 or whatever focal length you really want to get what you want in the photo. I'm suggesting wide because we're shooting landscapes in this case instead of a super tight zoom where you would shoot with just the moon with that. Now in this case also you're going to look at your meter readings and stuff inside the camera, and for the most part they're going to be somewhat spot on. And you may have to do a little bit of tweaking in Photoshop or something, Lightroom, something like that later on, but that's with any photo. If you want to, you know, edit it, that's up to you. But yeah, pretty much the main things that you'll need: tripod, a wide angle lens for a landscape, and a camera naturally. So you can't just go, all right, I got lens, I got camera, I'm good. No, you gotta actually have a camera, lens, tripod. But you don't need any real special equipment is what I'm trying to get at. It's, you know, equipment that you should have with you on a regular basis all the time. I do anyways. So anyways, this is Ralph Johnston Photography saying have a good day and peace out. Bye.